Hi there, it's Robin here from quiltingintheloft.com. I am showing you right now some Bernina fabric. And if you go on their website, if you're interested in this fabric, you can check it out and see what stores offer it. It is gorgeous. So what I'm showing you today is how to channel lock or production sew, or production quilt, I guess we could say it. It is a quilt that I've got loaded on my Bernina Q20 long arm. I have a studio frame, and so I have this fabric loaded on and ready to production sew. I've been doing a bit of it, and I just thought I would show you and share how easy it is to do some straight line quilting with the channel locks. I have the vertical channel locks installed on my machine, but I also have the horizontal one, and they come in a package together. And so today I'm using the horizontal one to make some tote bags. So I have about fabric for about 4 of my tote bags on the machine right now, and batting and backing. And I have glide thread in my machine, and I am ready to do straight line quilting. What's great about the channel locks is you can use it to align your quilts straight and to baste them onto your machine. And then you can also use them for this purpose, which is production sewing, and to make a lot of really straight horizontal lines. And obviously with the vertical channel lock, you can make vertical lines. I will flash up a picture of what the channel locks look like, as well as a picture of my finished tote bag when I'm all done. Just wanted to show you my horizontal channel lock. I've installed it on the left carriage of my long arm machine because there's holes there that are pre-drilled, and so if you buy it after you've bought the machine, those holes are already there. I'm talking about the holes here and the hole here, and all you do is screw it in, and the actual package instructions show you clearly what to do when you need to have it. I talked about the stopper being down on my frame. When you need that up, you just press this button where you want it down, and engaged, you press it down. And that's all there is to it. It's very, very simple, really easy to install. I am not mechanically inclined, so if I can do it, anyone can. What I'm showing you now is the vertical channel lock. It is installed to the right side of the machine on the track. There are holes pre-drilled. You will see them. And then it's just a simple installation, the same as with the horizontal channel lock, with these 2 little bolts and screws that with washers. Very, very simple to install. This can be adjusted up or down as well with these screws. And you just do a simple thing of using your thumb and pushing it down hard. And then all you can do with the machine is move it vertically, because it's the vertical channel lock. It will not go side to side at all. So that's how it works. It's very, very simple to do straight lines with either channel lock in either horizontal or vertical position. Just another little suggestion or hack. I've written an H on the top of my horizontal channel lock, and I've written a V on the top of my vertical channel lock. And that will help me to remember, after I've done lots of free motion quilting in all kinds of directions, that I've set it up for horizontal or vertical channel lock, and hopefully it'll make my quilting life easier. Hope it will for you as well. Okay, let's talk about setup for channel lock quilting. As you can see, my tension is at 4, which is standard. I am going to change my stitches per inch. I've got the Bernina touch pen here, which is a fantastic thing, so you don't get fingerprints so much all over your machine. And I'm going to switch that to 8. And I'm also going to switch to BSR 2 because I want it to stop when I want to stop, and that maintains control of the machine. And that's how I set it up. It's just a recommendation, a personal choice. I like the stitches just a little bit longer than the average, and just so that I can see my stitches. And just a suggestion for you to set up. As you can see, I'm working on the Bernina Q20 with the studio frame that I have installed on my machine. My Q20 is the number 9 foot because it's a great free motion foot, and I can see where I'm stitching, and so I have that ready to go. And I've already done a few tack stitches, and then cut away my thread. So I'm going to get started. I'm just going to show you, and full disclosure, my ergonomic free motion handle, my left one is up, and I will be sewing with my right hand only on the right free motion handle. And that's how easy it is, though, because basically once you have the channel lock installed, it won't allow you to go in any other direction but horizontally, and I have it at the spot that I need it to be at. And so I'm going to go ahead and stitch this perfect horizontal line, and I'll give you a chance to see it. And I'm going to switch hands here and start stitching. And I'm going slow, and I think it's important to do that. When it's this easy, you have a tendency to want to go fast, but that's not really good for your thread or your needle or your machine, so I'm going nice and slow. But you can see as it goes along the lines of those machines how straight it's going. It is amazing how straight the channel locks keep your lines. And almost done. Also should mention that I did do a registration line at the beginning to hit my 2-inch mark, and that's all I recommend, is just to do a little registration line at the beginning. You don't need to do one at the end. And then you have these nice horizontal lines, and so wonderful for production sewing. And that's it for today.